Okay, so using the CityGen3D as the kind of the baseline. So what I did is I came in here and set up, I don't know if it's because I'm recording, it's not showing the map, but basically grabbed grabbed some data in here, generated everything except for the roads. So I left the roads out, but at least I would have the you know, this on the train, so I could see kind of where the road went. And then, you know, just as a test, I wanted to take this RoadArchitect and see if I could use that in order to procedurally put some roads in. So I'm not reading any of the data from the open street map or anything else, so it's just hard coded. But basically, what that looks like is pretty straightforward. Just create the RoadArchitect system, and then I just kind of hard coded. I just sort of made some close estimates on the vector 3s for these two roads. So, you know, basically create the first road, create the second road, and then you come in here and you say create intersections programmatically for road. And then you can feed it some different enums in here. So for example, one of them is for traffic light. Do I want it to be a stop signs, or do I want it to be US style traffic lights? Or I think this is European style traffic light. And then for the other parameter in here is the turn lanes. So I want no turn lanes, I want just like left turn lanes, or I want left and right turn lanes. And then there's some other features in here where you can put things like guardrails. You know, you can put, so this one here is sort of the inside guardrail, sort of on the left side of the road, and this would be on the right side of the road. And there's a whole bunch of these inside of RoadArchitect. If you come in here to library, there's a whole bunch of these things in here. But if you go to thumbs, you can sort of see what they are. So there's everything from, you know, bridges to all kinds of different railing. But what I found is that if you just put if you put that on the entire road, it runs it right through the intersection. So really what you'd have to do is have it stop somewhere short if you had an intersection, but usually you're not going to run railings. Or, you know, maybe what you would do is, you know, maybe the road would have, you know, where the yellow line is, maybe that would have a railing up to here, you know, some sort of a divider if this is like a, you know, this is kind of a large city street. And then that might break off, and then it would just have this. So that would mean you'd have one road that would go up to sort of this gray line here, and then you'd probably then start another road without the guardrail, and you'd have the roads connect. I just haven't gotten to that point yet. So that's probably how you would handle that. But by putting in the traffic light, you can see it automatically sets up. The traffic lights. I don't know what additional parameters or even if these things are in the right place. But you can see, and then you've also got your lane markers in here automatically. And then the other issue is that, you know, I'm just kind of, I put all the road at sort of the same height. So I think it might be trying to fit it to the terrain. I'm not exactly sure how the terrain is working with this. Again, what I did is I just came in here and said, I don't know, it looks like 17 as the y coordinate for the height of the road. But again, that would probably be done segment by segment, because you can see over here where, you know, it dips down below the terrain, because again, I'm not doing, you know, different segments of road at different heights to sort of match the terrain. But I'm guessing that can be done. So there's just a ton, just as you can see, there's a ton of features inside of here. So let me show you some of the different things that can be added in this RoadArchitect. So you've got barrels, signs. There's a large number of different features, different signs in here. This isn't even really showing all of them. Let's see if we can find some of those. Yeah, I think some of those are, yeah, under materials, signs. There's stop signs, yield signs. There's just a huge variety of different ones in here. All right, that'll be it.